only going to hit you in the head.
You could go forward a little bit, I mean. We're weighing the boat quite down quite heavily at the back here.
We are, aren't we?
Yeah, move forward. It's funny that anyway. Yeah, they.
That's a bit better.
Oh, there's the new thing.
Side of the boat. We're playing Log Flume. Whoa.
It's bright out there.
It is, isn't it? Decent amount of water in this boat. Toxic waste. I said that already.
And then in the boat as well.
Yeah.
Well, there's some pumps down there.
So.
Hey.
Hello.
Yeah. He's at the front.
I am now.
I know.
No.
Very good.
Oh! I fell back and you told me to sit forward.
This water is as high as my bum just now. It is all. They need to vacuum this out. They have a water vacuum. Oh!
Wow!
They have a water vacuum back there. Oh, my feet are wet. How? There's probably about 5-6 inches of water at the bottom of this boat.
Oh my god!
That is unnecessary.
Oh, what if we were on Mars?
I don't know. Mine didn't really get wet.
Oh.